Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use budgeting template in Excel. So for this, first of all, here in search bar, search for Excel and open it. So once you open the Excel, so there you will find the search bar on the top. So here we have some suggested searches where you will find budgets. But if you don't find these suggested searches here, so here in the search bar, simply type budget. Let me type budget here and then press enter. So you will find multiple templates related to budgeting. There you will find monthly budgeting, then the personal budgeting. Okay, so as you can see, we have multiple templates here, and on the right side we have the categories of the budgets. So you can go with the specific category if you want. Like we have budgets, then we have personal, then we have financial management. So just click on the template that you like. It will take few seconds while opening, and the first page is start. So here we have the next page which saying holiday budget planner. Click on it. So as you clicked, you will find the budget planner here. So in this way, you can use Excel budgeting template. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.